Hi, I'm Claire, I'm 5 o'clock apron on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how I make roast potatoes using my Everhot oven. I've got some nice floury potatoes, so I'm using Maris Pipers. I've peeled them, put them in some cold water, I'm going to add some salt, and then bring this to the boil. A good roast potato in my eyes is basically a chip. So I'm going to put this pan directly on my solid top. And I'm going to add some duck fat. If you don't have duck fat, just use like a neutral oil, like sunflower or vegetable. You're going straight on here, and we're going to give them a bit of a fry before we cook them in the oven. And I'm going to make these extra delicious. When I bring them out of the oven, I'm going to hit them with some chopped parsley and garlic. Right, we're going to add some crunchy salt. We're just going to fry those for about 2 to 3 minutes, give them a flip and then pop them in the oven. Right, so I've got about 2 tablespoons of really finely chopped garlic and parsley here. I'm going to get the potatoes out of the oven, and the heat of the potatoes in the duck fat is going to quickly cook, almost saute the garlic. They're looking outrageous. Straight in there. Smells insane. The hot duck fat has cooked the garlic just enough. I'm adding lots of pepper. These are really treaty roast potatoes, okay? Onto a plate. Got crunchy bits, crispy bits, larger potatoes. Smell outrageous. Garlic and parsley roast potatoes in duck fat.